Baseball, fantastic apps fantastic app for Major League Baseball, great app from ESPN. Epicurious for recipes, teaching all of us how to make food. E-Trade, this is a fantastic app from IMDb. You can just learn so much about movies if you love movies from this app. It's fantastic. ABC turned out a phenomenal app for the iPad. It shows all of their shows, and you can just stream them right on the iPad. And you turn it sideways and just watch these shows in incredible resolution. They're fantastic. And Reuters, we've got a lot of news apps. Reuters, the Wall Street Journal, USA Today, the New York Times, Time Magazine. This is a cool app, Guardian Eyewitness. This basically says, rather than text, let's give you the day in pictures. And it's really nice. And, you know, of all of the futuristic magazines out there, Popular Science is king of the hill. These guys did something really, really breakthrough. And if you haven't seen it, it's really worth taking a look at. And Netflix. This app has been highly praised. People love watching the free movies on it if you're a subscriber to Netflix, and the quality of the video is very nice. And where would we be without an accordion? So, a lot of apps. That's just a few of the over 3,500 iPad apps and the over 185,000 apps on the App Store. Now, let's get to the iPhone. We had a really nice thing happen recently. We won the J.D. Powers Customer Satisfaction Award for smartphones for 2010. But it's not just for 2010, because we've actually won it for the last 3 years in a row. So we've won it 2008, 9, and 10. Now, if we take a look at market share, one way to look at that is, what's the share of use? What's the US mobile browser usage? Pretty good proxy. And if you take a look at this, iPhone has a 64% US mobile browser usage share. 64%. And everything else added together is half the iPhone. Everything else added together is just half the iPhone. So it's pretty interesting. How many iPhones have we sold? To date, we have sold over 50 million iPhones. And if you add iPod Touches into that, because they run the same apps from the App Store, over 85 million iPhones and iPod Touches. If you're a software developer, that is a plum market to go after. So today, we are giving a developer preview of OS 4, iPhone OS 4, the next major release of the iPhone operating system. We've been working on this for a while. It's pretty great. And we're going to ship it this summer. And we're going to release a developer preview today. So let's get into it. iPhone OS 4 delivers over 1,500 new APIs to developers. A lot of stuff that developers have been asking for. Developers can now access the calendar, the photo library. They have full access to still and video camera data. Quick look. They can put SMS inside their apps. We are releasing our automated testing tools, the same tools we use to test our apps, to our developers, so they can test their apps with them. And we're releasing a framework called Accelerate, which is in itself, actually, we don't count these APIs in the 1,500, over 2,000 APIs for hardware-accelerated math functions. So if their application is heavy into math, they can really take advantage of this. And these are just a few of the over 1,500 APIs that they're going to have in iPhone OS 4. In addition, there's over 100 new user features. And again, here's just a few of them. Users can now create playlists on their phone. We've added a 5x digital zoom in the camera app. You know how you can tap to focus when you're taking a still